Good morning, students. Yesterday we had a discussion about various types of condition to construct a quadrilateral. Okay, so today I will discuss another condition, that is the third condition, which we could able to by which we could be able to construct a quadrilateral. So what is that condition? That when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Now the third condition, when two adjacent side will be given to you, okay, and three angles will be given to you. From this it is clear that we should know about how to construct angle with the help of, or how to make angle with the help of compass, because I think you all know how to draw a angle with the help of protractor, but some of you are not aware of that how to construct angle or how to make angles with the help of compass. So before discussion or before discussing about the third condition, okay, let's learn about how to construct some special angle with the help of compass. Okay, so here we go. So here we go for it, to construction of some special angles with the help of compass. Okay, so these are 7 angles I have taken. Okay, we can construct it with the help of compass. Many more angles also I'll tell later. Okay, but first of all we will try to construct this with the help of compass. So let's move ahead with the first one, that is 60 degree. Okay, so let's make 60 degree angle. Before starting the construction, make sure that you are ready with your scale, that is called ruler also, and the compass ready with its pencil. Okay, so first of all we will draw a base angle. Okay, base line. Base line. Mark a reference point, that is O. Make this line as a ray. Okay, you can mark any point here, that is A. Okay, now this is our reference point. We will draw a semicircle with this point. Just open your compass, okay, to some extent, and make semicircle with it. Okay, this is a semicircle. Now what you need to do is, you have to mark one arc. Okay, by just placing your compass here, you have to, without moving or without doing any disturbances to the compass extension, you have to place the compass here. Okay, and just mark the first arc. This first arc is 60 degree. Okay, if I continue with this arc will be another 60, means 60 plus 60, 180 degree. As we are drawing only 60 degree first of all, so this point, okay, this point once you got, you just join with the reference point, that is O, or you can extend this. Okay, so this is our 60 degree angle. Okay, with this simultaneously I will explain you that how to make 180 degree. Same thing you have to draw. You have to draw one baseline. Just take this point as a reference point. From here make a semicircle by taking some extent of the compass, and without moving your compass to any extent. Okay, you have to put first arc, that is of 60, and with this point mark another point, that is another 60. So this 60 plus 60, that is 180 degree. Now join this point with this reference and extend it and mark it some point. Just I have marked B, and this angle is 120 degree. Okay, so we had a discussion of 60 degree already over, 120 degree over. Let's move to draw 90 degree. Very, very important angle. Okay, let's move. Okay, see, so B part, and we are drawing 90 degree. So let's have a look. See, again, first step is to make a base angle. Sorry, base line. Base line, or you can say extend it to some extent to make it ray. Mark it any point. Okay, with this reference, again make one semicircle. Okay, make semicircle. With this point, mark one arc. From this point, mark another arc. It is clear how to make this two arc. I think it is clear. Now what you need to do is you have to place your compass here and put another arc just above it. From here, take another arc so that it can intersect here. Again, I explain. From this point, I have taken first arc. From this point, another arc to get this point of intersection. Okay, if I join this, I will get this as 90 degree. Make it a ray and mark as point C, or any point you can take. Or here also you can write that angle AOC is 90 degree. It's your choice. If you want to write, then also. If not, then also good. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now side by side we will try to construct 75 degree. Okay, with the help of compass. See class. To construct 75 degree also, you have to draw one base ray or base line. Okay, extend it to some points, and from there take O as a reference, and you have to draw one semicircle. From this point you have to mark two arcs. Now it is clear, I think. Now same, you have to first of all make arc for 90 degree. Okay, but as we know that we don't want 90 degree. So what we will do? We will make it as dotted line because we don't want 90 degree. What we want? We want 75 degree. Now what you need to do is, see, this is 90 degree and this is 60 degree. If you add 90 plus 60 and divide it by 2, what you will get? That is 150 by 2, that is 75 degree. Okay, means if you bisect the angle between these two, you will get 75 degree. Okay, so I'll do like this. See, I put one arc from here. Okay, and another arc from this point. One arc from this point. See, I have just marked one point A and here B. Okay, this is point A and this is point B. I have taken one arc from A, one arc from B. Okay, now you just join it, and this is your required 75 degree. So class, one more thing, the 75 degree you can also verify it with the help of what? Protractor. Okay, with the help of protractor you can see that this compass construction is correct or not. Okay, so let's move for which one? Now 75 and 90 degrees over. Now let's move for to construct 105, 135 and 150 degree. Okay, now see 105 degree. Okay, now see, to draw 105 degree, again you have to take one base ray and have to draw one semicircle. It's a basic step. Now you are used to with it. Now first of all, mark one arc from here of 60 degree, another arc that is 120 degree. Just make 90 degree. because 90 degree is a reference line for us. Okay, so how will you do it? See, but don't draw it with solid line. You have to draw with dotted line because we don't want 90, but 90 degree is our reference point, right? See class, to draw 105, 90 is a reference point and this is 120 degree. If you forget sometimes, so what you can do is, ये 90 है, ये 120. 90 plus 120 divided by 2. How much? See, 90 plus 120. This is 210. Divided by 2 is 105. Okay, so means the bisector of these 2 points definitely will get. You can mark this point as B and C. From one arc from B I am taking, and from C one arc, and this point I got, it is 105. 10, you can make it with solid line. This is 105 degree. 105 degree. Okay, so let's move for next, that is 135. For 135 also the same step. First of all, one ray, semicircle, put 2 arcs. Okay, before constructing 135, let's have a look for how to construct 150. Okay, first of all we will construct for 150. So we'll already put 2 arcs. So with this point, mark another arc that is of 180 degree. This is of 60. This is of 60. This is of 120, and this is of 180. 60, 120 and 180. Okay, now take a bisector of these 2 points, 120 and 180. Okay, so this point you got, that is 150 angle. This is 150 angle. You can verify it also by the same simple mathematics, you can say simplification, that this is 120 and this is what, 180, divided by 2. 180 plus 120, how much? 300. 300 divided by 2 is 150. So bisector of these 2 points is 150 angle. I hope it is clear. Now let's move for 135 degree, which is very important. See, for 135 you have to construct 150 again. See, first arc, second arc and third arc. From these 2 arcs, you know that the bisector is 150 degree. But now we didn't want 150 degree. So for that we will draw it by dotted line. Okay, dotted line. Okay, now the bisector of 150 degree and 120 degree. See, 150 plus 120 divided by 2 is 270, divided by 2 is 125 degree. So what you can do is just take the bisector from these 2 points. So you could able to get one point here, and this point, when you join with a solid line to O, this angle become 135 degree. I hope you all have understood how to draw special kind of angles. Now a very important point comes in my mind, that if anybody told you to find angle 45 degree, or to construct angle 45 degree, to construct 30 degree, like this. Okay, which is exactly half of these angles, 75 by 2, like half of this angle. How will you construct? So for one I'm just doing, and rest you can do yourself. See, if I want to construct 60 degree, if I want to construct 30 degree, means it's a half of 30 degree. Means if I'll draw the bisector of 60 degree, definitely I could able to get 30 degree. See class, how to construct a bisector. to construct a bisector you have to see the extreme points of these angle. इसका extreme point क्या है? ये एक point है and this is another point. So first of all you have to put one arc in between of the angle from this point. Okay, so you want to construct, you have to put arc from by placing the compass in one extreme and another arc by placing the compass in another extreme of the एंगल दैट इज ऑफ 60 डिग्री, जिसका आपको बाइसेक्टर निकालना है, मीन जिसका आपको हाफ फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, सो दिस एंगल इज माई 30 डिग्री. ओके, दिस इज माई 30 डिग्री. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. सिमिलरली इफ आई वॉन्ट टू construct 45 degree, what I will do, because 45 degree is the half of 90 degree, so I will place, first of all I will find the extreme points, means इस angle के extreme point कौन से हैं? This is one point and this is another point. So I will place my compass in the extreme positions. Okay, I will mark one arc here and from another extreme position another arc here, and the resultant line I could able to get is making angle that is equal to 45 degree. In similar way you can able to get a bisector or half of any of these special angles at your own level. Try to do at your own level. If not, you can ask me again. Okay, now let's move for the third condition. It's the main part of the chapter, that is when two adjacent sides and three angles are known for a quadrilateral. Means to construct a quadrilateral, now the condition is given to us that two adjacent sides are given and three angles are known, and we have to construct a quadrilateral. So for make you more clear, I have taken one example here and some written steps I wrote already. Okay, now step by step we'll try to construct this question which is based on this condition. So first step is to draw a rough sketch. Okay, what is it? So first step is to make the rough sketch. Okay, so I have drawn one quadrilateral that is a MIST, MIST, and according to given information I will mark its measurement. That is what is given to us. MI is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Right, MI is 3.5 centimeter, IS is 6.5 centimeters, and angle M is 75 degree, angle I is 1 and angle S is 120 degree. These are the given measurement. So according to the given condition I have made a rough diagram. So what the second step says, choice need to make for the base. In the previous condition we used to take the quadrilateral base and we used to draw, but here, okay, but here we need to select the base. We have to select the base in such a way that in both the side there should be angles. You can choose base MI or IS, it is your choice. At my level I have choose MI. Okay, see, now I will draw base that is MI, that is of 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. I'll mark MI. Okay, and write 3.5 centimeter. To make you more clear, I'm just making it with sketch. Okay, now from M it is constructed 75 degree and I it is 105 degree. So I have make you learn already that how to make 75 degree with the help of compass. You can draw from M, draw 75 degree, and from I draw 105 degree. See, here I am doing. For 75 you have to mark 90 degree first, and for 105 also you have to mark 190 degree. Okay, just draw it by dotted line because we don't want 90 degree, right? Now 75 degree sector of these two means this is my 75 degree angle. Okay, now from I, okay, from I will draw 105. So this time the 105 will be this side. See, this is 105 because the point of reference is on that side, so that's why this is 60, this is 180, and between these two is 105. So this is our 105 and this is 75. Okay, 75 over 105 over 3.5 over. Now we have to mark point S. For that, what I need to do is, from I point I have to put one arc that is of 6.5 centimeter. From I point I have to mark 6.5. okay, so first of all measure 6.5 with the help of compass. This is 6.5, need to measure this, extend this line till that arc. Okay, this is 6.5 centimeter and this point is our S. Okay, now what you need to do is, from S you have to draw 120 degree. Okay, 120 degree. So see, again you have to draw one semicircle over here. Okay, again your reference point is on your right side, so this is your 60 degree and this is your 120 degree. Okay, so just extend this point in such a way. Okay, and this is your 120 degree and just extend this point, and this is your point T. This is your point T, that is MIST. So here is the required quadrilateral IST. I repeat again, according to the given condition, first of all draw 3.5 base. From I have drawn 105 degree, from M I have drawn 75 degree. I have extended this 105 angle in such a way that I could able to mark 6.5 arc. Okay, afterwards from this S point I could able to see from the rough diagram that I have to draw 120 degree angle. So I have drawn 120 degree angle here. Okay, and I have made 120 degree angle and I have extended this 75 degree line so that it could able to intersect this point. Okay, and this point is my T point. So it is a required quadrilateral with this above condition. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. If not, just go through the video once again. Thank you for watching.